I never thought gaining 1,000 subscribers on YouTube can be so difficult. After 1 full year of efforts, I made it! I want to thank God, my family, friends, and you for all the support. You may ask why 1,000 subscribers is such a big deal. That's when we can monetize our channel and gain a little bit of income, provided we have 4,000 view hours at the same time. Like now I've earned around this much. It's little, but better than nothing lah. Let's face it, some YouTubers achieve overnight success like Uncle Roger. But to be honest, most don't. It really takes blood and sweat to build and grow a YouTube channel. I did a lot of studies, and from my personal experience, I think there are top 3 elements to grow a YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000. Firstly, values. There are many reasons we are on YouTube. Most of us think that YouTube is for entertainment, but there are many people serve YouTube to learn something, solve a problem, or to find a solution. If you want to be a YouTuber, think of one value or values that you can bring to your target audience. When they like your content, they're more likely to subscribe to your channel. Another pro tip is focusing on a strong and distinctive niche for your channel. Some examples of niche are comedy, gaming, singing covers, fitness, investment, and many more. Mine? Helping you to be an effective communicator and public speaker. That's my focus and hope you can subscribe too. Secondly, commitment. One YouTuber friend once advised me, upload 1 to 2 videos consistently every week. By the end of the year, you will get 1,000 subscribers. It's very true, but it's so difficult. Many give up before achieving this milestone, mainly because of the viewership and results, which are super discouraging. Most of the time. For me too. Trust me, it's a painful process. However, if you're committed in doing this, persevere, you will get your results. Of course, you need to have the passion about the value and content you are sharing, else it's tough to sustain. So my friend, we need persistent commitment in producing quality content for our channel. Like Abraham Lincoln once said, commitment is what transforms a promise into a reality. Lastly, grabbing attention. Do you know that 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute worldwide?
Wow.
The competition on YouTube is extremely fierce. There's no one niche or topic nobody is doing. But it's okay. Do you agree that every person has unique characters and charisma? So we can produce interesting content infusing our very own unique style. Importantly, capture the attention of viewers and make them watch the whole video. The longer they watch your video, the more YouTube will think this content is awesome and start recommending to others. There are a whole bunch of things we need to do as YouTuber. Eye-catching content, thumbnail, channel page, title, write-up, and many more. All these are to improve our YouTube search engine optimization, SEO. Check out Annie's channel. She shares a lot of practical tips on SEO on YouTube. In fact, her channel explodes because she is sharing powerful tips for small YouTubers like us. All in all, values, commitment, and grabbing attention are basics on the journey of a YouTuber. They all sound simple and really fundamental, but they are what it takes to be a YouTuber. I'm trying very hard too. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, start early and slowly rather than never. One more favor I ask from you is that watch all the advertisements on my YouTube videos and click on them if you're interested in them. That will give me a few tiny cents. Thank you. Hope this sharing helped you in some ways and gives you some insights. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click here for more videos. See you in the next and bye.